Hello everybody, Bassim here, back in new video. Do you want to turn your time into money? Well, in this video I am so excited, like literally excited, to show you guys how you can some easy money again and again each time you do this. So before we get started, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right now, like and share with friends, comment below if you have any questions for me so I'll answer to you right away. What's up guys, here we are back again, and the website for today is PAIDERA. This website actually guys is for surveys and quizzes and a lot of tasks, and we will be getting paid for just doing these simple tasks. So before we get started, let's see what this website is about and why they are saying they are the best. They are saying they are the best because they offer unlimited tasks. You can get paid for inviting your friends, like referral system. You get paid for everybody who joined by your link, and instant payment for 24/7. There's no hold on your money, and that's what makes this website really cool and easy to use. So the last thing here, I just want to talk about the sixth part they have as well: sign up task, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends, write about us, all in one, which is this website. So before we get started here, let's see again that they have over 666,000, and here you can see how many tasks they have completed. 5,000,641 tasks completed, and over, okay, that's a lot of tasks and a lot of payments. And you'll be earning like this. You will see the dashboard. There's some like earning proofs from Jackson. Who else here? Well, and now let's just sign up and see what's going on with the dashboard, as I will show you how you can use it. So let's create an account and get back here. Here we are guys. So guys, once you sign up for the account, you see here I just got my first 50 cents because for signing up, because I just signed up in the website. And here you see the ratio of your health, which is the earning that you're making. So here they are asking me to set up my payment. So that's the first thing. You add your name, your email, and the threshold for how much money you want to withdraw for each tasks completed. So now you see this is my balance here, and here you see the task I have. So they are giving me now 8 tasks, and they have this icon which is hot, which means they have like a higher range of payments. So I click task 1, and you will see what's going on here with this task. The task will show up based on your location and your language. Here you see earn. I will be earning 180 cents for watching your favorite movies for free, and then there is 259 cents for watching this, for signing up, and there is more tasks. And here you see your earning that you've generated from each task that you have completed. There's also surveys, and then there is also quizzes. Here you see like half dollar. There is 25 cents, and there is effect of a game addiction. There is a lot of things that you can do here, and then if each time you complete something, you get paid. And also there's reward codes. I'll just click here, which is a new thing. You can click a reward code, and then you get paid for this reward code. So the last thing I want to talk about is the paid quizzes. So here I'll click. There's a couple of things that you can do, and then you can, it's just like you're playing, and then you get it paid. The total remaining earning $9, and then you know, tasks completed. Here in the dashboard you can see if you have completed any tasks, the payouts, and the status, if it's like released or not yet. And the last thing here, payment history. Make sure that you add your PayPal account so you can start making money here. And here you can click add, and then you set up the payment, as I mentioned, surveys, games, tasks, and there you go. This is the website guys. This is the account. If you have any missing information, you can correct here, add your city, add everything, and then you can enjoy making money on a daily basis, and join their Telegram channel if you want here. And then you see they have over 19 like almost 20,000 members on the Telegram member, just so you can see what's going on and stuff. So guys, this is the website. I hope you like it. I hope you like start making money as we make here on a daily basis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe right now for new videos. Comment below and like and share with friends. Support this channel. Thank you guys. Bassim here. See you next time.